Hi friends, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from various company from IBM, Johnson Control and other. So first important opportunity from the Johnson Control and they are hiring for the associate software engineer data scientist and job location is Maharashtra. So this is a full-time role. So if you are interested you can apply and you can go through complete job link in the description. And what we offer, they offer opportunity to work on all those things. So this will be a key responsibility means you will work on the ML and various ML algorithms such as NLP, deep learning, and GenAI. And if you have some working knowledge of Azure DevOps, and then this is a good things. Okay, and talking about the eligibility criteria, so you should have bachelor degree in computer science, IT, BTech, MCA, or MSc or related field. So if you are comfortable with it, then you can apply. Going to next important opportunity, and this opportunity I have already provided you update, and still IBM hiring for ASC Associate System Engineer going on. So if you haven't applied it, must apply. This is for 2024 and 2025 only. For 2026, just on campus is going on. So whenever off campus will be announced, I will make a dedicated video. No need to worry. So you should have basic CGPA and no active backlogs, and 6 CGPA are there, and you should have fluent communication skill. Coming to next important opportunity from the Wipro career, they are hiring for the intern yellow, and this is also again a good hiring. So especially if you are 2025 pass out and 2024, then you should apply. And I will suggest for 2026 don't apply for that. Okay, so whenever some new important opportunity will come, then I will provide you update. But if you are sure that in your campus Wipro not gonna came, then you can apply. That's the thing I want to tell. And these are the city for the internship, that is Bangalore, Coimbatore, Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, and this will be your job description. Okay, so you will collaborate with global team and senior leaders. Initiative will offer practical experience and exposure to Wipro organization and identify business requirement and all those things. If you are interested, you can apply now. Now coming to next important opportunity, and that is from the Innovature. They are hiring freshers for the quality assurance, QA, and site reliability engineering, that is SRE role at Innovature. So this is one of the greatest important opportunities. So if you are interested, you can just share your resume to this mail ID. Again, friends, some of the students are saying that you might not getting the reward. Then I will suggest that apply with your updated resume and basically include the proper skill according to the job requirement. Don't apply with all job opportunity with the same resume. Okay, so keep applying for off campus and have a look on campus too. Currently NQT hiring is going on and I've already provided lots of important update there, and coding series is going on. So if you haven't gone through it, by the way, then you can go through it. Okay, so this is also important hiring, you should apply. And coming to next important, they are hiring for the role of associate system engineer and freshers are welcome, and job location will be Indore. So education is BTech and MCA are eligible. So you will be responsible for these all things, means assist in development, debugging, troubleshooting, collaborate with cross-functional team, and you can go through it. So if you are interested, you can share your resume to this mail ID. And my friend, American Chase is continuously hiring for that, and still it is going on. Okay, so I have already provided you earlier when 10 days ago, and still they are accepting the response. So BTech 25 and 2026 can apply, and MCA 2025 and 26 both can apply. Just share your resume to them and they will do that. Okay, so friends, if you have been selected for mock interview, then you can also, means if you have been selected for any real interview and want to schedule your mock interview with us to get the clarity of the interview, that how it's going on, then you can basically fill our Google form. Currently a mass selection has been going from our channel too. So congratulations to all the candidates who got the NQT results and other result. So best of luck for your future journey. कोई भी query है feel free to ask or comment here. I will be very happy to help you. Thank you.